Miss Universe 2025, no? Na aksidente, nasagasaan, naluto. Drama. Drama everywhere, no? And Papa Nawat said, itigil ang kabaklaan dito at ituloy natin sa Miss Grand International All-Stars. Ganda. He really said na ilabas ang kabaklaan, yes. Itigil ang lutuan at mag-all-stars na tayo, mga bading.
Believe in the power of your authenticity. Believe in yourself.
And that is exactly what is happening. The girls will be ready to serve, no? The dolls are ready to fight. And ito ay isang pageant na hindi kaya i-host ng Miss Universe kasi busy sila sa demandahan. Tama, mali?
If you follow the order from your national director, you are